Welcome to the Protec Gutters Metal Roof Installation Guide. In this video we will show you how to install your leaf-free aluminium gutter guard onto your metal roof. Let's have a look at what you will need. You will need clean rags, a clear priming fluid, the Tydar Bond, clear silicone sealant, a pair of snips or strong scissors, a glove to protect your hands when applying the fluid and the Tydar Bond, and of course your mesh at 300 wide or 200 wide depending on the configuration of the roof. A minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius is strongly recommended for the installation. Never do the installation in damp conditions. Remove all debris from the gutter and the downpipes, making sure it is all nice and clean before the installation of your gutter guard. All contact surfaces must be clean, dry and in good condition. Clean the surfaces with clear priming fluid such as MEK available in any plumbing shop. Clean the top bead of the outer gutter edge as shown . And the roofline section where the adhesive is to stick. Now apply the Tydar Bond glue with a clean rag. Be sure to wear the protective glove at all times. Apply this to all areas that were cleaned with the priming fluid on the gutter, edge and the roof where the mesh is to be secured. The preparation of the roof is now complete. Install the mesh starting with the gutter line. Remove the blue backing liner from the tape. Position the mesh and press the adhesive firmly onto the gutter edge. Note, if mispositioned you will not be able to remove and reapply the tape. Carefully remove more of the tape and stretch it in position and apply to the gutter edge. Press down and firmly apply. As you approach the end of the gutter, size cut the mesh so that you can apply the rest of the tape right to the edge. Leave a small amount of excess and readjust your cut if necessary. Now peel the second tape and secure the extremity, the end of the mesh at each end of the roof. Peel off a section of tape and at the top of every second corrugation or rib, split cut the mesh by about 25mm or an inch. To contact glue the split section, make sure that the adhesive makes first contact with the bottom of the profile. Press the adhesive tape firmly into the bottom and work your way up to the top of the corrugation where the split was made. Repeat this process at the opposite end of the mesh. Trim if required, and again apply by peeling back the second tape on the roof section. Be sure to peel back the tape before making your split cuts, otherwise you will have to repeatedly remove the adhesive backing. Remember, always make your cuts at the top of every second corrugation or rib. Make the split cut only about an inch or 25mm in length. Remember, when you contact glue your tape to the roof, apply from the section that was not cut towards the split cut, applying it down deep into the valley. Now, using your silicone sealant, apply it to the extreme end of the mesh on both ends where the mesh meets the roof. Also apply along the edge of the adhesive line to the first split. Now for the Protect Gutters Touch. For a better hold, Protect Gutters advises you seal the split cuts made at the top of each corrugation as follows. Thank you for watching this Protect Gutters metal roof installation guide. We hope you enjoy your leaf-free aluminium gutter guard.